Hi there, in this tutorial here we're going to look at producing our last assembly where we add all our parts of our suite dispenser together. We'll be looking at using the ground command in Inventor, mate, flush, joint as well to produce the assembly. And we want to make sure all our parts are fully constrained for our top level of success there. So we're going to jump into Inventor and we're going to go up to New at the top left hand corner here and making sure our metric templates, standard millimeters, under assembly there. I'm going to click create there. Now I'm going to go up and I'm going to hit place at the top left, and now I'm going to find the parts I need. So I need the drawer assembly. I'm going to open that. Just going to click to position it and then just press escape. Going to click place again. I need the frame assembly. Going to click open there. Click to position it, press escape. Place again there, and I'm going to need the glass jar with lid there, so click open, click there, press escape, and now finally is the tray. So I'm going to click place, going to scroll all the way down there and find my tray, and click tray there, and then just press escape. So now we've got our 4 separate parts there. I'm going to first of all ground that tray. So I'm going to right click on the tray and we're going to go ground. I'll ground it on that there. That's in position now. Now I'm going to go constraint. I'm going to click on the inside tray, face of that tray which is facing upwards. And I'm going to click on the bottom of our block there. That's moved into position there, and that's a mate. That's fine. Click apply. And then I'm going to mate the side of this block to the side of the tray. So I'm going to click on the side of that block, any one of the 3. Rotate that round so I can see the side of the tray, and click there as well. Click apply. The last thing I need to do is line up the back edges. So I'm just going to change that to flush by clicking that button there. I click flush on I'm going to click on the back of the block and then the back of the tray, being really careful where I click, and then I'm going to click apply. Remember, if it's ever going wrong, you can press escape, or you can come out of the tool and you can view what commands you have on each of the parts. So that's the tray. It's all got all those constraints against it. And we'll also see if we go under the frame assembly, see if we can see those constraints there as well. Right, next up, let's add the drawer. So I'm going to go to the constraint again, and I'm going to make sure it's on mate again. So I click the bottom of that there, and the bottom of, I should be nice and careful here. So we're clicking the inside of the kind of cutout there. So that surface there, I click there, and that's moved into position, and I click apply there. I'm just going to close that a second. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that out of the way. I'm going to use the fact that it's not fully constrained to help us here. And then I'm going to go back into constraint, and still with it on mate, I'm going to click there, and I'm going to click here as well, and that's moved it across, and then click apply there. So now we've got the drawer. If we just close that a second, we'll see the drawer is constrained apart from that direction there. Now let's add the constraint there again. What we'll do is we'll go for a flush constraint between the back there and the back there as well. Now that looks a bit weird at the moment because obviously we've got our drawers gone essentially too far in. So what we're going to add is we're going to add an offset, and we'll try 13.5 there, and we'll click apply. So that's gone the wrong way, so actually it shouldn't click apply there. So I'm going to close that, and under my frame assembly, we open that up. I'm going to right click on flush 2, and I'm going to edit that there. And the offset there should be minus 13.5. There we are, it's sitting out the back there. Now we're going to do something clever here. And we're going to let it so the drawer slides, and we're going to use our limits down the bottom here. So you might need to click that, double click that arrow there to get these to appear. So we're going to change our maximum and our minimum. So our maximum will be minus 13.5, and our minimum is going to be minus 70. And then we're going to click OK there. So it hasn't moved just yet. So what you'll see if I click that is that now moves. Okay, and it moves between minus 70, so that's 70 millimeters away, or in Inventor terms, negative 70 away. And you see that lines up with the center there. We pull that out, that's where the sweeps will drop out well, and there. So we're nearly done. We're just going to use the joint command. So we'll click the joint command there to finish off. We're going to rotate round so we can see the bottom of our jar. And when we've got that lid there, we're going to click that when it's highlighted as shown. And then we're going to rotate round again, and once we're on that top surface and we've got that whole big red surface highlighted with the kind of green dot in the middle there of the hole, we're going to click there as well, and that's going to join those. There we are. There it is, and it's locked it in, and we can click apply there. Just close that there, and there we are. So there's our sweet dispenser finished, and we've just left some freedom there so the drawer can move like it would. So now I'm just going to finish it off by going File, Save As, and we'll save that as our sweet dispenser. I've saved a couple before, so I'm just going to save the sweet dispenser 1, and then click Save there. And then from this, we're able to click Renders as well as orthographic drawings as well.